the right. Stay on the right. Gear on the left.
Let's pray to survive the chicane here. Oh.
Car right. Keep to the left.
Yeah, oh, stupid
Stay
idiot.
on the left.
You can tell he's an alpine driver. Ah, he's not.
You got a slow car on the left. Car stopped ahead. Go right.
Yes guys, welcome back to a brand new iRacing video, and I think it's already like our 6th or 5th episode maybe, and we're doing quite well. Today we're here at the Lime Rock Park, the chicane version. I've never driven here before and I just practiced like half an hour or an hour, and it's a quite tricky track. It's really technical, of course chicanes are tricky, it's really narrow. So the qualifying's gotta be crucial here, and as you can see we're all in the qualifying session. So let's do 2 races today. We are currently at like 1600 iRating. Let's see if we can grow maybe towards 1700. And I say let's go into qualifying and let's see. Alright guys, we're out for our outlap. It's gonna be crucial to warm up the tires properly, and as I said, qualifying is so important. Because definitely like in lower iRating classes where I'm currently at, it can be really tricky in the midfield, and especially since it's a narrow track, you just don't want to have that risk of being in the chaos. By the way, I saw your last comments on my video, and thank you so much for the support guys. I saw some tips of trail braking, saw some tips of that I was kind of reaching for my steering wheel. So thank you for your feedback. I adjusted a little bit and improved it. But it's a long story, but it's kind of hard for me to improve it a lot better with my pedals because there's a slight problem, but we'll look into it and improve it. But for now, let's go into the first qualifying lap. Let's go.
Okay, here comes your first timed lap.
Oh my god, almost lost the car there. Lost a little bit of time. Oh, it's tricky. I gotta improve a lot on the second lap, but I think the tires are warmed up more now, so let's see what I can do. That was not ideal. I should have sacrificed that entry more, so I gotta get better run into the chicane, but that was better. No off track, fortunately. It's okay. Let's see what time we can get here. 5th place. No.
There's the flag. It's
I'm not
over.
really happy with that. Problem is that on my practice session I've driven like multiple 105s and then loaded, so maybe 105.3, 105.4, and that would have put us on 3rd position. And 5th is quite tricky because you're in the midfield out of 12 cars. So not really happy with that. I think we made some small mistakes and we could have definitely reached P3. I think P2 and P1 are too fast, but I think P4 or maybe a podium is a good goal for the first race. So let's see how we can do, guys.
Green flag, green flag. Left side. Stay on the right. Stay on the right. Gear on the left.
Let's pray to survive the chicane here. Okay, decent start, guys. Oh, they had contact.
Car on your left. You're in 4th position. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Great overtake, guys. Blocked him there.
Right side.
Oh no, mate.
Still there, hold your line. Still there. Clear. You cut that corner. Incident ahead.
Oh no.
Left side. Still there, hold your line. Okay, you're in 2nd. Still there, hold your line.
I have to yield
Clear
a
on the
bit,
left.
or I'm fucked. So let's do it tactically here. Oh, but not go off. Okay, that was good. A little bit dirty, but still P3, everything to play for. But the game feels so laggy. I think it's due that I have still some browsers open, so I really gotta fix that for the second race. But let's focus now. Whoa,
Huh?
what? What did he do? That was so random. And I hope they will battle behind me, because then I can just basically pull away. So we really gotta lock in, get our laps right, and don't get any off tracks as well. I'm so scared to get an off
There's an
track there.
incident behind.
But the game is really laggy, guys, so it's really hard to nail the corners. This is not ideal. We gotta defend here.
The leader just did a 5.504. Left side. Keep to the right. Clear.
Great defending. I think we just gotta keep on defending the inside there, we should be fine. Because I don't think he's gonna risk it around the
car in
outside.
T.
So, he was very close to me there. Oh, the game is so laggy, it's insane, man. It's so hard to drive. Oh wow, I think he had to yield because he cut the corner or something. Now we got a lot of breathing space, so let's take advantage of that. No! Oh wow, that was huge. Oh my god, the leader spun out. Are you kidding me? No, oh, it's a back marker. Oh, imagine it was the leader. Oh, please don't kill me in the chicanes. Don't try anything stupid, please. Come on guys, I want that P2. It's mine. I'm not gonna give you slipstream, my friend. Come on, P2 guys, lovely stuff. I'm really
There's the
happy with
flag.
that.
It's over.
Especially if you remember that we started from P5. Nice! Oh, we fought hard for that. Actually, we didn't really have the race pace, to be honest, for P2, I think. But it was a good race, guys. Nice, come on! Alright, guys. We are currently into the qualifying session for the second race. I'm really happy with that P2. I think it was lovely. We didn't make any big mistakes, except like the corner cutting, which we got the yielding for.
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty.
And it was quite tricky because it was so laggy, and I just closed all my tabs and browsers to see if it improves, to make it feel smoother, and I hope it will help, because I think that, yeah, did something with my confidence, that I couldn't push too hard, because our race pace wasn't that good, but we just defended well, stayed consistent, so that's nice. So yeah, let's see what we can do in this second race, and of course try to improve. It's gonna be tough to get another P2, but let's just see, get a good qualifying lap in, don't make any big mistakes, and yeah, let's go.
Okay, here comes your first timed lap.
Didn't want to take that curb there, but... Oh shit, off track. No. That's a shame, guys. It was a good lap. Now we really have to lock in for the second one. Oh, that was dumb. I wanted too much there. Oh no. Oh, that was not good. Shit. That was not good, guys. Oh no, 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 no. We're gonna start all the way from the back here.
There's the flag. It's over.
Oh, that's a shame, guys, because the first qualifying lap was actually so good. But that just teaches me how important it is to not the qualifying, which we have already done quite a lot in the series now. So that's a shame, but yeah, let's see what we can do in the race. Oh my god, we're starting all the way from the back. No! Oh my god, this is magic. We're starting last. This is a mad skill issue. But alright guys, last to first challenge. Let's see how we can do. Oh no.
Green, green, green.
Good start.
Right side. Stay on the left. Clear on the right. Right side. Keep to the left. Clear.
Oh.
Car right. Clear on the right.
Oh man.
Car right. Clear on the right. Slow car ahead.
Oh.
There's an incident ahead. You got a slow car on the right. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Okay guys, we already won some positions here. But let's keep it cautious. Oh,
Right side.
I didn't have any grip there, I didn't
Keep
know
to
what
the
happened.
left. Keep to the left.
Yeah.
Stay
Idiot.
on the left.
You can tell he's not being right. Oh no. Oh, this is not ideal. Oh, this is not ideal. I brake too late there. Ah, he's not.
You got a slow car on the left.
Another
Stop
one.
ahead. Go right. Go right.
Oh,
Go
we're
right.
so
There's
lucky.
an incident
We
ahead.
we're so lucky for surviving it. Crazy. What a carnage. Oh man. Ah, P6 now I think. If you can get P6 starting from last, I'm totally fine with that.
The car in P11 just set the fastest lap.
car-
4.865.
Oh my god, the car in P11. And he has a much better race pace, so let's pray he doesn't catch up. Oh, that was good. Nice.
You've just set your fastest lap of the session.
Still too slow, 156 is not good. We have to hit like 1.5 lows. Now we gotta try to break the slipstream once again, because last time he didn't do anything. Look, let's see if he does it now. No, he doesn't understand. Now he's missing a massive advantage.
You got a slow car
Oh,
on the
shit.
left. The car in front has
Another
gone
one.
Okay, that's lovely. He's getting closer and he's definitely faster than me. So you gotta be smart here. He's definitely not gonna try to do the chicanes. Okay guys, it's going quite well, but two cars behind us are slowly catching up. So really gotta stay consistent. Ooh, that was scary for an off track. I think we barely stayed there within what was legal. Gotta stay focused on that. But we created a little bit of breathing space. As you can see, the guys in front are battling, so maybe someone will crash out as well. Let's see. Just trying to send it here. I'm not gonna let you do that, buddy. He's probably frustrated. you can get through because it's so narrow here. Okay, we made a small mistake there and had to correct, but fortunately we had a good exit, and that's all that matters for this long straight.
Flag.
White
Stay
flag.
smooth.
One more to go. Let's break the slipstream. He might be desperate here, try to send it into the chicane, so let's take a defensive line.
Car on your left. Clear.
Told you, I just didn't want to take any risk there, so we had to play defensive. And now we should be good and he can't do anything anymore, so great defense. Let's not try to get on off track here. I think we didn't got any incident points. I can remember one actually. Wow guys, P5, definitely not deserved. Definitely not. Oh man, I've never been so happy with a P5. I didn't expect it at all. Let's go guys,
You're pulling away
P5.
from the car behind to get
Lovely.
the
Whew,
flag.
I'm sweating. That was so tough. Nice. We didn't have the race pace at all, but we improved through the session actually. We became more consistent and I more understand where I was faster. So I think it's a good second race. Definitely not a deserved P5, but we stayed consistent, avoid accidents, and that's important as well. So yeah, really happy with that. So let's look into the stats. Yeah, I think we can reflect on good races. I'm not really happy with the race pace because I don't think we were quite fast today. But nevertheless, we stayed consistent. We didn't make any big mistakes. We avoided accidents. And that's of course really important in racing as well. Just stay consistent, keep hitting those lap times. And that's something that went really well today. I think the P2 and definitely the P5 finish is not really deserved because we were quite lucky with the crashes. But yeah, as I said, avoiding crashes is important too. So let's look into the race. But first, before we get there, I want to ask you guys if you like this format with like 2 races, the qualifying. Do you have any feedback for me how to improve the videos or what do you like to see? Please let me know because of course I will try, and there are coming some collabs in the future, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's look into the results of the first race. As you can see, we gained a lot of iRating, gained 72 iRating and gained some safety rating, which is great. The average lap time was quite competitive with the top 4, let's say, because yeah, the first guy was way faster, so it's fair he won. But we only got 2 instant points. We had like a really competitive average lap time and best lap time, so that's great. And yeah, we improved our iRating a lot, gained a lot as you can see, and reached the 1700 mark. I think that's maybe the reason that the race 2, let's look into the results of that, was quite difficult because we had a really tough qualifying session. It didn't go as planned because as you can see, we started from 12th position, but there were a lot of disconnections and people that were slow at crashes, and we were really lucky. We were really lucky because we could take maximum advantage of that, but the race pace just wasn't good. So I hope until the next episode I can improve my race pace, because now we're getting closer and closer to my ultimate goal of reaching 2000 iRating in this series. And after that, as we said in the previous episode, we'll make the step towards the GT4 class to improve, get to the C class and just drive more races, get to know more cars. But I think if we reach 2k iRating with the Mazda MX-5 Cup, we have a really solid base. So let's work on that first. Really happy with today's races, gained a lot of iRating. Thank you guys if you made it to the end for watching, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing because it helps me a lot, motivate making new videos, and yeah, I just love to grow the community. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you to the next episode, and ciao.